1973 Volkswagen Beetle hatchback two-door, $2,250 Lansdale, PA. A 1973 Volkswagen Super Beetle in classic yellow with a black interior. This project car runs and drives but has significant rust. The automatic transmission is intact and the clean title is in hand. One tire does not hold air for more than 2 days, so it must be towed. Priced at $2,250. 1978 Chevrolet Impala sedan 4-door, $1,500 Chattanooga, TN. A 1978 Chevrolet Impala with a brown exterior and interior. This sedan has an automatic transmission and has been driven 24,000 miles. It was purchased as a project car but is now being sold due to the owner's husband's health issues. The vehicle needs work and the price is negotiable. (1971) Mercury Cougar XR-7 Coupe 2-door, $2,500 Forrest City, Arizona. A classic muscle car, this 1971 Mercury Cougar XR-7 likely features a 429 big block engine. It has been sitting for a while, so its running condition is uncertain. The body is in great shape with no cracked glass, but the leather seats are cracked and need reupholstering. Floor shift automatic transmission, priced at $2,500. 1973 Pontiac LeMans SE sedan 4-door, 2000 Paris TN. A mostly original 1973 Pontiac LeMans with an automatic transmission and green exterior. The engine may be locked up, but the body is in excellent condition with only minor dents and rust in a few spots. The seller is not desperate to sell, but is open to reasonable offers. Listed for $2,000. 1962 Chevrolet Impala, $2,500 Poland N. A 1962 Chevrolet Impala with a matching numbers inline 6 engine and automatic transmission. The car includes all original chrome and badging as well as its original steel wheels and hubcaps. It needs a title but is priced at $2,500 or best offer. 1985 Chevrolet Caprice Classic Landau, $1,500, Richmond, VA. A complete 1985 Chevrolet Caprice Classic being sold as a parts car due to a severely rusted roof. The rest of the body is solid. No title available. The car is priced at $1,500 as a whole. The seller is not parting it out. (1963) Pontiac Catalina, $1,200, Cleveland, TN. This 1963 Pontiac Catalina is equipped with a 389 V8 engine and automatic transmission. The engine runs, but the front floor pans need replacement, and the transmission crossmember and radiator are missing. The car has a solid structure but comes with a bill of sale only, no title, priced at $1,200. 1957 Plymouth Savoy 4-door parts car, $500 Huntland TN. A 1957 Plymouth Savoy in black, heavily rusted but still useful as a parts car or yard art, located in Huntland TN, offered at $500. 1967 Buick Electra 225, $1,000 Spartanburg SC. A 1967 Buick Electra 225 convertible with a 350 Oldsmobile engine and automatic transmission. It last ran about a year ago, but now needs a carburetor rebuild or replacement. The car has rust, particularly on the lower quarters, but the floors and trunk are relatively solid. The power top works. No title, it came from Georgia. First buyer with $1,000 takes it. (1970) Ford Galaxy 500 Fastback, $2,400, Reidsville, NC. A solid 1970 Ford Galaxy 500 Fastback, originally intended as a drag car. It has some rust in the trunk but features a new fuel cell and gas tank. No engine or transmission is included. The rear end is a 9-inch with 4.56 gears and a spool. Comes with racing seats and slicks. No title, priced at $2,400 or best offer. 1965 Ford Thunderbird Coupe 2-door, $2,000, Georgetown, KY. This 1965 Ford Thunderbird was impounded as an abandoned vehicle. The car is a beautiful classic but needs significant restoration. There is no available title or ownership information. It is sold as is for $2,000.